In this video, I'll be showing you guys a particular AdSense account I'm working on partnership. I want to show you guys what we have done so far on this account this month. Over the screen, you can see what we have done so far on the account, and even this account received payments 21st of this month. And so the account I showed last video, no, that account I showed also received payments on the 21st. So let me show you guys this one. So over here you can see it received a payment of 12,000, though we had some little deductions on there. You can see what was in the balance, but you can see what was paid. So this account is also a strong account I'm working on. That's by the way. So you can see over here on the screen what we have done so far on this particular account, and everything that is on this dashboard is fully arbitrage traffic from both all the whole traffic generated on this site. You can also see that the RPM and the CPC is very high. Both of them are high because this niche though is a high RPM niche. But aside the niche being a high RPM niche, the method is also part of the reason that the RPM is also high. And also you can tell from the impression that the ads are well placed. Okay, so as I said earlier before, everything here is done fully with arbitrage method. And also, if you're already working with method and you're not getting good ROI, you can click on the link in the description box to reach out to me so that I can help you out solve whatever problem you're going on with. And secondly, if you also have a good account like this that has received a lot of payments in the past and you want to bring up the account for partnership, I'll be open for partnership next month. So you can write in the link on the description box to book your slot, and we will discuss and talk on how we're going to work on the account and share the percentage on the earnings. Okay, so I'll be dropping more videos from now henceforth because there are a lot of accounts on my hand. I'll be showing you guys all those accounts and what we have done on them. And any account that also receive payments, I'm going to be dropping the payment proof, just like this video I did here. So if you're on this group, you're on this YouTube channel for the first time, you can quickly subscribe to the button over there so that whenever I drop a video on this channel, you get notified. See you guys in the next video.